Hidden beneath the earth, treasures are waiting to be discovered. Introducing the all-new Gold Stinger X6 by Stinger Detectors USA, the next generation deep metal detector built for serious treasure hunters. With 6 advanced search systems, powerful discrimination technology, and detection depth up to 5 meters. Explore deserts, mountains, and underground secrets with precision and confidence. Gold, treasures, and ancient relics. The Gold Stinger X6 helps you go deeper, search smarter, and discover more. Gold Stinger X6, no more detection limits. We will proceed now in the Gold Stinger X6 main menu screen. So at first, you will see here the ground balance. Okay. All metals, pinpointer, discrimination, depth detect, cavity test, and the target scan. And lastly, the settings. So let's check now these settings. We have languages here. You can change the language. So available languages are English, Espanol, France, Dutch, Turkish, and Arabic. Okay. So we have our settings here. For the volume, you can adjust the volume, maximum 9. Okay. And then we have the light adjustment. Okay. And we have the sensitivity adjustment. So you can adjust it, lowering it if it is the coil is still making a sound but without any target, so meaning that it's mineralized soil, so you have to lower the sensitivity. Okay, but sensitivity, more higher sensitivity will give you more depth. Okay, and we have the iron or remove iron. You have also a shortcut here. Okay, to remove the detection of the iron on and off. You have option there. Okay, then turbo is like sensitivity, so it's the power also, and the adjustment if it is too noisy in the soil or if it is too much mineralized soil, so you can lower it or higher it, the value or the number. Okay, so information of the device, of course, information, Gold Stinger, product name, X6, serial number, manufacturer, and software version. And you have also the reset or reset settings. And now we're going to check the discrimination. We will check this first, the discrimination. Just select or press OK. Then you will see this appearance, discrimination, sensitivity, ferrous, gold, or non-ferrous metallic object. So this advanced discrimination mode, it accurately separates gold or silver and copper from unwanted metals like iron. So for this ferrous, it's the iron detection if the device is detecting iron, and gold if the device is detecting gold, non-ferrous if the device is detecting like the silver, copper, or other types of precious metals. Okay, and then let's proceed now to all metal mode. Let's check this. So all metal mode, it will detect all kinds of metals. Then there is a target value. Okay, so this all metal mode, it detects all types of metals, ferrous and non-ferrous. So with the maximum depth and high sensitivity. So it's perfect for deep scanning and locating buried treasures with powerful detection performance, of course. So now let's proceed to the pinpointer. This is the pinpointer mode. This is the appearance. So this is for metals, pinpointer, and cavities, and for the target ID number. So this pinpointer mode on Gold Stinger X6, so it helps you locate the targets with the extreme precision. So this device will identify some metals, cavities, and buried objects using smart digital readings and unique and audio tones. Okay, it's a unique audio tones it will produce. So this the target ID number, it will appear there. So it detects gold, and silver, copper, iron, and even underground voids with accurate pinpoint targeting in, of course, in real time. So also, as I mentioned, the smart digital values on the screen, it helps identify target types instantly. Okay, there's a target ID number for non-ferrous metals. It will range from -50 to 30 plus. Okay, and then for gold targets, like from positive 30 to positive 60. Okay, and then precious metals, it will be on positive 60 to positive 90. So I'll give you a sample. Let's test this iron. Okay, negative 50. Then this is for the gold. It's a gold bracelet. So now let's proceed to this depth detection mode. Let's check this one. Okay, so on this depth detect on Gold Stinger X6, it helps you estimate the depth of buried targets with high accuracy, of course. So after locating the target, simply measure the target area. So there's a process. You will measure the target area. So enter the estimated size here on the upper part, and then the device will instantly calculate the approximate depth. Like for example, you already measured the area with the target. Then you have to input, for example, there's 10 centimeter, let's say 30. Just press OK, and then it will appear here uh, the maximum depth or estimated depth of the target. Okay, so first, scan first, okay, or detect first, then enter here, then it will appear the estimated depth. So now let's proceed to this cavity test. So this is the appearance. So once there is a cavity, there is or hollow space, there will be a color blue here. Okay. For this Goldstein X6 cavity test, it detects underground voids like tunnels, or sometimes it can be graves or rooms or basements with advanced 2D graph analysis. Okay. And then a blue graph, there is, as I mentioned earlier, there's a blue graph here, indicates cavities, while brown signals mineralized soil. Okay, if this brown signals, meaning there is a mineralized soil, all without sound interference, so there will be no sound. So now let's proceed to this target scan. Okay, so this target scan mode on Gold Stinger X6, it provides detailed target analysis with the advanced underground imaging. So the scan ground in real time and view a 2D graph showing, or it's like a 3D graph, 2D and 3D target type, estimated depth, and object size. Okay, it will appear there. So red signals indicate detected metals. Okay, then it will help you identify ferrous and non-ferrous targets with greater accuracy. So once you process this, it will appear here. Okay, if what type of target has been detected. And now we are here in the ground balance. So just press this, or once you open the device or turn on the device, this ground balance will appear at the first on the screen. Okay, so what you will gonna do is put up or raise the coil or the device itself. Okay, 10 or 5 to 10 centimeter away from the ground. Just put it up. The ground balance is with the check mark, so ground balance is okay now. Parts and accessories of the Gold Stinger X6. We have this armrest with arm strap, upper shaft, handle with this handle grip, of course the main unit with color display and navigation buttons, and we have the middle shaft and the lower shaft. It's all adjustable, and you can remove everything or dismantle them. We have the power switch here at the back, of course serial number of the device, and then we have the speaker here, and the coil included is the GS50 and the GS30. We have as well the warranty card of the device with the serial number of the device and user manual in English. And we have the user manual in Arabic and catalog. And of course, all the accessories like the charger, adapter, and then this extra button nuts, wire for charging, and wire for the headphone. And we have also the box here and the headphone. Once again, the new Gold Stinger X6 by Stinger Detectors USA. For more information, price, and delivery, contact us at Golden Detector Company, Abu Dhabi.